All right, hi guys. This is Natasha with Perfected Travel. I'm here at the Hideaway at Royalton Punta Cana. I'm in the Diamond Club section, and this is my room, 1174. They have a little sign, so if you have a birthday or a special occasion like a honeymoon or something, you'll get a little ribbon. It actually is in my birthday, so I'm not sure why that's up there, but it's okay. All right, so what you're given is a tag, and this is your key card to let you in your room. So you just put it up against the door, it unlocks, and then you're able to go in. Okay. So what you see first on the right, you have a little small sink area. So it's just one sink, but it has everything you need. It has a scale, the towels, a little bit of water and everything for you. You have a mirror to do your makeup. And then in here is where you have the toilet as well as the shower area. So there's a door that separates this for you. So if you're in here, a person can still use the sink and you'll have your privacy. So just give you a quick look. So you do have the rain head shower as well as the handheld that you can adjust, and you have the shower gel and shampoo and conditioner in there. You have a little, see if you can see a little hole, so you can, if you had a hanger, you can hang your clothes up here, right there. And above the toilet, you have some tiles. All right. And then you walk into the bed area. So you have this small little area where you can put your shoes down underneath, and if you need to, you can sit right there, or you can put your luggage on top of here also. And here is the closet. So you have a safe, you have an ironing board and an iron, as well as 2 robes. You don't receive slippers, but I guess that's okay. You have an extra pillow up there, as well as a blanket. And the room that I'm in, I have 2 queen beds, but it also comes with a king bed. So it's up to you, whichever you prefer. So here's a little nightstand that has the phone, and the remote is up there for you, as well as the alarm clock and all of the switches to control the lighting if you're in the bed area. And you have your USB port and 1 outlet, it looks like. There's a little seat for you, and you have your coffee maker as well as an ice bucket. And then you have a few drawers. Let's go ahead and put some items of clothing in. There's one more down there. And then here's where you have your refrigerator, and it comes with the pop, the juice, and water. Okay. And like with some resorts, the ones that would initially include liquor inside the refrigerator, there are some that I've noticed that during COVID, they've stopped having the bottles in the room. So it all depends on what resort you go to. That'll determine if you will have alcohol in the room with you, or if you have to order it or go down to one of the bars. Okay, so here's a little decoration they have on the table in the seating area. Isn't that pretty? I don't know, they use some type of, I don't know what flower that is, but it's cute. You got the 2 swans kissing. There's another seat over there. And out here you have the balcony. This is an oceanfront view room. We're located in the Diamond Club Hideaway section. Here is the private Diamond Club pool within the Hideaway section. And a little bit further ahead, there's 3 other pools that you have access to, as well as the other guests that are on the property. And if you look a little bit further down, there is the Diamond Club bar located in the Hideaway section. And here's a few swim up suites. On your balcony, you have 2 chairs and a table where you can sit and relax. I'm currently staying in the Diamond Club Luxury Ocean View room. And as part of the Diamond Club offer, the amenities that you're given, you have the butler service, you have personal check-in and check-out service. There's a separate beach area with waiter staff that you have access to, as well as you get a few discounts on spa treatments and beauty services, along with a few other amenities as well. If you have any questions about this room or other rooms on the property, please leave a comment down below, or you can contact me through Facebook. Just do a search for Perfected Travel, or you can contact me through my website, which is www.perfectedtravel.com, and I'll also put that information down below. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.